To fix your Facebook earnings that is dropping, your Facebook earning might be dropping, and also you might not be recommended anymore on your post. You might get a notification, you might have missed the notification. I'm just going to show you how this works. Now, if you go to your phone or your laptop, your computer, wherever it is, if you go to notification, you don't get notifications of any violations or any mistake. Let me show you what to do. So you come here, go to your profile. Once you get to this section, go to professional dashboard, and you will see something like this, right? So we'll go to content. So this is content. Under content, you will see so many things. I'm just gonna wait for you to see some certain things. Okay, first let me show you what mine is showing me. It says some of your content, as you see at the top here, it says some of your content may affect your ability to be recommended. Now, I found out there's a way to fix this issue, right? So the easiest way is once you get to the section here, you come to content, under content. Now you will see your post, all the posts you've made so far, and you will see something like, I want to show you quickly. It's very easy to detect. It's in white instead of being it in red, but you can easily notice or see it once you have it. So you see this section that says Karma was right here. That's the title of the post, and it's monetization limited. That means you're not getting money from this, and it's not if you continue to create posts like this continuously, you might not be recommended anymore. So now I'm not making money from here anymore. Actually, it's over 100 and something thousand views, 114,000 views, and I only had $1.74. That also determines the country where my views are coming from, actually, and the type of content that I posted. But anyway, that's not the reason why we're here. I'll make a video about that some other time if anybody needs that. Now, you come to this section. Now, to delete this particular post, I'm going to show you what to do. Let me just quickly scroll out to show you another post that is being affected. The crazy thing here is you don't have the option to search for the name of the content that you know that might be violating or have issues with Facebook, why it's not being suggested and things like that. But real quick, I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to use another post as a study or a sample. Let me see. I want to delete a particular post that has same issue. I want to show you with that. Please don't mind this delay, and especially my network. My network is very, very bad, very, very poor. So there are so many videos, so many posts, and the thing there is you have to go through all of them. I mean, every one of them, you have to scroll through one by one online. If you're like somebody like me that has thousands of posts, a lot of work, right? But it's worth it so that your content can go viral. It might be the song, it might be anything. So now this video got 119,000 views. So this is it. You see, it says limited. There is an issue limiting the performance of your post. So many things can be the reason. This particular video, I do explanatory video. Now, this particular video might be affected by the audio or the visual quality, the visuals. So it might be graphic content that they might not want to suggest to people. So you're seeing this like this. So how do you delete this? That should be the question. So you see more details right here. So if you click on these three dots, you will never see option to delete the post. So you're just going to click on more details. Then you see view post, right? So once you click on view post, it will take you to, I'm trying to stop it so I don't play the sound with this video I'm making. It doesn't distract. So you click on that three dots, you will see delete right here. So I'm just going to return back. You can also stop that. So you can also use that, or you click on the three dot up there and you see delete. So you just delete, and that should be it. So if you say view post, I'm sure you're not going to be there anymore. Yeah, so that's just it. So you return back, and you have to continue searching for whichever content might be limited in terms of suggestion. Please delete them so that your videos can be recommended to more people. I hope this video did help. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe. My name is IMF Hope, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.